Hello everyone and welcome to Informatica support videos. In this video, we will be covering how to configure a workflow database and how to create the contents for workflow database. The agenda of the video will be to understand in depth about the workflow database, the usage of the workflow database, the configuration and a quick demo on the same. So what is a workflow database? Data integration service stores all the runtime metadata for workflows in the workflow database. So basically it's used to store the workflow related metadata. Informatica supports a specific type of databases. So it does not support variety of databases. We support only 4 databases as of Informatica 10.4, which is IBM DB2, Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft Azure SQL Database and Oracle. So before you go and configure the connection, you have to choose the database type which you will be using. Ensure that 200 MB of the disk space is available minimum for this database schema that you are going to configure. Since all these are native connections, you have to ensure that the database client is installed on the machine where DIS is going to run. One important or key factor to be noted is each and every DIS in the domain should have a separate workflow DB associated with that. And this connection can be configured or specified when you create the data integration service. So now let's see a quick demo on how to configure this. So by default, when you create a DIS and when you do not specify any workflow database, this is how you see the data integration service as. You will see a red message popped up saying that workflow database connection is not configured. Now to configure the connection, you have to make sure that there is one connection created before. So just go to admin console connections tab and ensure that you have created the connection in which you wish to create the contents. So right now I have created this connection. Now since I have the connection created, we will be using that connection to configure here. So look for the workflow orchestration properties in the properties tab of the DIS. So I think this is the one, workflow orchestration service properties. Just edit this and specify the connection from the list of connections available. So I have created this connection which I will be using here. Now save the changes. Once you update the connection, you have to recycle the DIS so the changes are reflected. So let me just recycle the DIS now. This will help me get rid of this message and I will have to create the contents also. So contents are nothing but the workflow database tables which will be created or which will be used to store the metadata of the workflows. So content creation process will take care of table creation in the backend. Once the recycle is complete, you will see the message has disappeared and now we have a new message which talks about the workflow database contents do not exist. So we have to create the contents. Just click on actions, click on the workflow database contents and click on create. This will start the content creation in the backend. So now the contents are created and in this way you can configure workflow database and create contents in the data quality. You can also refer the knowledge base article which is mentioned here, or you can refer the application service guide or the administrator guide, or you can also refer the H2L, how to document on the workflow database. We would love to hear from you on this. You can tweet us at the given link or you can write an email at the specified email ID. Thank you.